Welcome to the setup of the Wilderness Systems iATAK Inflatable Fishing Kayak. Today, we'll guide you through the easy assembly process of the iATAK. We will inflate the floor, install the adjustable foot braces, attach the accessory rail and 4-bolt accessory mounts, inflate the upper chamber, and finally install the seat. Start by laying out the kayak on a flat surface. Locate the inflation valve on the floor chamber. Use the included electric pump, powered by 4 D batteries, to kickstart the inflation process. Press the largest of the 3 nozzle fittings onto the pump. Press the spring valve into the deflate position. Insert the pump nozzle into the valve and turn on the pump. Watch as the kayak floor begins inflating. When the electric pump is no longer moving air into the floor, remove the nozzle from the valve and quickly place the valve in the inflate position so as little air escapes as possible. Now, grab the hand pump and set the lever to dual action. Twist and lock the nozzle of the dual action pump onto the valve and start pumping. Do not depress the valve before inserting the nozzle. Inflate until about 7 psi or until the pump becomes difficult to operate in the dual action mode. Next, switch the pump's action lever to single action and continue pumping until you reach the recommended air pressure specified on the valve, 10 to 12 psi. Once achieved, remove the nozzle and securely close the valve cap. The next step should be completed with the upper chamber of the kayak mostly deflated. Part 2. We will now install the adjustable foot braces. Lay the foot braces on the floor beside the webbing pieces and in the orientation shown. Slide the brace rail through the back webbing fitting. Move the foot brace towards the back of the rail and place the front of the rail into the front webbing piece. Once the kayak is fully inflated, you will be able to adjust the braces to the most comfortable setting for your leg length. Next, install the accessory rail. The accessory rail will install in the 4 molded retention grommets. On cold days, the install of the rail in the grommets may be easier after the grommets have warmed in the sun. Slide the straight pieces of the accessory rail through the back 2 grommets until they are about 1 inch from the front grommets. Now, place the ends of the bent rail into the front grommets. Work the 2 sides through as evenly as possible. When both sides are through, depress the detent buttons and slide the bent and straight pieces together until they lock into place. The rail is now ready for attaching accessories to enhance your angling experience. Part 4. Installing accessories onto the mount bases. The iATAK includes 4 attached mounts for mounting accessories with a 4-inch by 2-inch bolt pattern. Installing the mounts on these bases should be done when the upper chamber is mostly deflated. Part 5. Now that the desired accessories have been installed on the iATAK, it's time to inflate the upper chamber. Just as with the floor, start inflating the upper chamber with the electric pump. Complete the inflation with the dual action hand pump by inflating to the recommended 10 to 12 psi. Close the valve when you are finished. Part 6. Installing the Ergo Boost seat. Install the Ergo Boost seat by pressing the front bar into the locking fittings. To ensure consistent tracking of your iATAK, install the included fin in the fin box on the underside of the stern of the kayak. Slide the fin into the fin box as shown and install the clip to hold the fin in place. Now, you may sit in the seat and adjust the foot brace pegs to your ideal leg length. For an elevated platform while fishing, you may fold down the seat back and sit on the padded platform of the Ergo Boost seat. The The elevated perch gives you better line of sight to the water. Congratulations! Your iATAK is now ready for the water. Thank you for choosing the Wilderness Systems iATAK. We hope you have a great time fishing.